Okay, let's unpack this. We're doing a deep dive into a really specific but powerful piece of AV gear today. The tvONE CORIOview 4K multi-window processor, specifically the MWP-8H-1Y model.
It's a beast. I mean, you can think of it as the command center for any really professional AV environment. Its core mission is, simple on paper, but incredibly hard in practice. It has to take up to 8 different high-res video sources.
8 of them.
8. And display them all perfectly at the same time on one 4K screen. And do it with no latency or any visual glitches.
Which is why we've called it the professional conductor of an AV orchestra.
Mm-hmm.
You've got 8 musicians, these inputs.
Mm-hmm.
And this box has to make them all play in perfect harmony.
That's a great way to put it. And that operational flexibility is where tvONE's one product, two modes idea comes in. It's the key here.
Okay, so you're not just buying a piece of hardware, you're buying adaptability.
Exactly.
So break that down for me. If I'm an integrator, what's the real difference between classic and dynamic mode? Why pick one?
Right. So classic mode is for your really structured, permanent setups. Think control rooms, broadcast centers, surveillance hubs.
Right.
In those places, you need precise hands-on control over every single detail. We're talking audio mixes, window borders, source labels, everything. It's about total command.
Total command. So if that's classic, I'm guessing dynamic mode is all about speed.
You got it. That's
Yeah.
dynamic mode. It's built specifically for collaboration. Huddle rooms, meeting spaces, places where you can't have a 5-minute setup delay.
Right.
It uses automated presets and fast action front panel controls. It sacrifices that deep granular control for just, pure operational speed.
That makes sense. But to get that kind of speed, especially with 4K sources, you need some serious muscle, right? What's under the hood?
The engine is their proprietary Corio 3 technology. That's the specialized scaling engine that makes that zero latency switching possible.
And that engine can handle some pretty heavy lifting.
It can. The platform allows the unit to take inputs up to 4K 60.
Wait, I saw that. 4K 60 ins, but the output is listed as 4K 30. Why the difference?
That's a fantastic question. That 4K 60 input is crucial because it means you can plug in a high-end source, like a CAD workstation or medical imaging device, without crushing the signal before it even gets to the processor.
Ah, so it preserves the original signal integrity.
Precisely. Even if the final combined output is 4K 30, you started with the highest quality source material.
And it does all that in a pretty small box, a 12RU form factor. It's tiny and runs ultra quiet, which is great for installing it right in a meeting room.
Yep, you can hide it away pretty easily.
So once it's in the rack, how do system managers actually control it? How do they set up those 8 windows?
You've got a couple of really robust options. You can use their dedicated choreographer software, which is touch-enabled, so it's very intuitive. Or, this is key for a lot of pros, it integrates directly into existing control systems.
Like AMX and Crestron.
Exactly. It just becomes another controllable node in your building's bigger ecosystem. It's built for the long haul.
What about for more unusual displays? I'm thinking of things like complex LED walls.
That's another place it shines. It has a custom resolution editor built right in, specifically for pixel-perfect mapping on non-standard LED walls. Plus, it'll take almost any signal you throw at it. IP streams, HDMI, DVI-U, even SDI just handles it.
So what does this all mean for you, the listener? The CORIOview family, whether it's this 8-input model or one of the smaller ones, is really about one thing. It's about taking that powerful Corio 3 engine and using it to deliver operational simplicity and rock-solid performance.
Absolutely. It just takes the complexity out of your signal chain.
Whether that's for a huge control room or a quick huddle session.
But that does leave us with a bigger question, doesn't it? Given how complex and costly these systems can be, if a processor like the CorioView is the conductor for all your video sources, you have to ask yourself, what critical part of your infrastructure is the score? What's the master plan that guides how the whole system, the whole room, is designed to work together? That's something to think about for your next big project.